What exactly happens when you push an object? And it seems like it gains some kind of stored energy that is referred to as potential energy. In the energy filament theory, work isn't just a simple action, it's a process where you move an object from its natural, comfortable state in the energy sea to a position where the energy configuration is more strained. Think of it like putting energy into an account for later, where the debt of that energy isn't paid until the object moves back to its original state. Imagine a marble sitting quietly at the bottom of a bowl. This is its most comfortable state, where the tension in the energy field is at its lowest. Like the marble is in a perfect balance with the surrounding energy sea. Now, when you push the marble up the side of the bowl, it's as though you are forcing it to climb up a hill. The effort you feel in your hand is the tension you're adding to the marble's journey. Changing its energy state from a smooth, relaxed state to a higher energy state, one that is more strained. Once you let go, the marble will roll back down the bowl, picking up speed as it moves. The speed it gains on the way down is the debt of the energy you stored while pushing it, now released as kinetic energy. This same principle applies when you push a child on a swing. At its lowest point, the swing is in a relaxed state within the tension field. Every time you push the swing higher, you are adding more unnatural tension to the system. The extra height and stretch you add are stored as potential energy within the swing. When you let go, that stored energy is released, and it turns into motion. This is the energy that you stored while pushing the swing higher. The same idea holds when you lift an object, like a brick, from the ground to a higher shelf. What you are doing is not just adding an invisible force to the brick. You are affecting the entire energy system, the combination of the brick's own tension, the gravitational pull from the earth, and the tension from the shelf. When the shelf is removed and the brick is allowed to fall, the energy you spent lifting the bricks is returned in the form of speed, heat, and sound as the brick accelerates downward. The same concept applies when you stretch a spring. Every time you pull on the spring, you're changing the configuration of the energy strands inside it. You're forcing the spring into a more strained shape, one that has more tension and resistance. The further you pull, the more tension is created, and the more energy you have to work against. When you release the spring, it snaps back into its original shape, releasing all the energy you had stored within it as kinetic energy, along with some heat due to the friction and internal movements in the spring. Therefore, when we talk about doing work, it's not just a simple matter of pushing something. It's about changing its energy state temporarily, forcing it into a configuration where it's more difficult to hold that position. The potential energy is the discomfort, the extra energy stored, and when the object returns to its natural position, that stored energy is released in the form of different types of motion, kinetic energy, heat, sound, and other forms. In our next episode, we'll dive into energy conservation and explore what it truly means. What exactly is being conserved, and why is it so important? Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.